Hello, excuse me. Please, I'm looking for Mr. Sato.
I know the head when they talk. I best speak PG.
Perfect. Would they find Mr. Sato?
I don't know him.
Somebody's shouting.
I know they hear the English when they talk. First they shout, splash in one bomb.
I see. But here is not an hospital. Yeah. You are so heartless. Go and help her.
You know if you go help her.
Are you serious? Babe, please go. Baby is coming.
My pikin, I for take my baby care. Now go give me blessing.
No, sit down. You don't do, you understand? You know, say you're newborn, eh? You don't need to stress yourself over stress yourself, eh? Bele. No vessel. Get this question me want to ask you. What you they find for here? As you just find it, so what you they do for here?
That one, na long talk. No be small story at all. No be.
Look for this part now. All this part, man. It's very dangerous. Baba things do that.
The environment is okay. I like the natural, how the whole place is fine. You know? For town, we want to see all this kind of place. So. That place fine. Place makes sense.
Yeah, una dey. If I for nothing, it be like say una dey cage.
It's nice.
It don't be like the one that they see for BENIN when you say you need to pay money. So this one, you know, they pay to yours from your swim.
That one I pull. This one a natural river, and I like just like the natural environment too. That kind, I just like the way they get to this swim.
You go there swim?
No. The place, the river rough.
Yours, you not have swim.
No, the river rough. The river rough. If you not rough, I will swim now. Yeah. Half an hour without get. So.
I call it.
I like the way they get it there.
You see that place.
Alpha, you know her. You know her.
You go. I know her now.
Oh, I find them. I for like see her.
But you dey see her.
Now make me feel see her now, cause I dey see.
You sure say you
Now make me feel see her. If I not dey see her, I not see her.
But you see, say na him and Percy Gala come.
You never marry now. If you don't marry, if you never marry,
If you never marry, okay.
My boyfriend, you never marry.
No be matter of boyfriend. You know the seed where they are totally play.
Yeah, if I play with Antu, you should even forget about the guy.
But leave that girl. See, this river as well. You know how many years this river? Not 3 years old.
Oh, the river not to dig very deep, because the way the guy they throw up and down and say, like say, if me try and I feel not come out.
Now make I see when you enter and make you try and make you see.
No. Another they will look for best friends to be swim. So if I try and if you not walk, the person go help me.
I say I push you side now. You say about Percy.
I want. Hello, my friend. My friend. Up on that. What is your name now?
My name now.
Oh, now fine name you get too. And you fine name for fine girl like you. Now this area you there be stuff like me.
Oga, I be villager for this place.
Wow, now you are fine like this. They see fine girl for this village.
Oga, don't touch me now.
No, man, you dey waka fast now. Me not gonna say you can't waka past me. Eh?
You carry the touch face. You won't give me belly.
No vex now. He touch you give belly for this village. I don't know. Sorry, oh. I beg. I keep your friend.
So say I be your enemy. I will never give me the touch.
I don't mean that kind of friend. I mean, you give me your heart. I don't want to do anything. I just want.
Oga, leave me now. Now, soon I will talk. I don't care if I see finish now. Come on, I better not disturb my life.
See. Okay. Very nice. Not the wrong now. Not the wrong. Not the wrong. I beg, not the wrong.
No, what if you make me follow this area?
Oh, I said I'm not fine rich.
Go. I know say you know say I love you. For me to talk, see, I feel die for you. That one a small thing. If something dey we pass to die, I could do one for you. I too love you for this life. Because anytime I deal with you, I know the fear for anything. Because I know say we love each other. And this love when I get for you, it make me do anything for you for this life.
You know, say me love you too. That cause I deal with you. You sure say this one way you talk, so you fit do anything for me, so you fit do one.
I
I no feel life for you. Anything by thing for this life, where you want make I to swear, I go swear.
So when you talk, so if you do anything, now your mind if come from. Okay.
See, inside my heart, where, the back door wey dey inside my heart. And from there, I for the bring her come out.
True to God.
I swear, by anything for this life. See, the love when I get for you, I will make sure, say, you no lack anything. Not just for your family to accept us.
Well, I believe you shall. I don't say not to tell me.
You can go see your parents, your pile and your mama. If they don't agree now, you know that thing will never do, sister. Oh, they do every day. That time, my joy could be plenty. See, I swear to you, I go clear bush, I go carry farm, I go cut wood, I go fish for that river. I go make sure say all the best wrapper wey dey Benin, and you I buy am for. And the most expensive bead wey there pass for market. Now this your neck like. See, go you say I love you.
But don't not touch me again, never pay.
Okay.
By the talker.
See, you don't dey pee this proposal so you sit down for here. They peel am as if na cow head you dey cut. See, like this. So where will they enter tomorrow? You say now tomorrow night lovers dey go out. Talk to me now. Abi you no love me again? Or you don't get who you don't carry for the body?
How you could talk that thing now? How you could talk say I don't love you again? Abi you forget the way I take beat person because of you that day? Or not before your president I take pursue my sister come home for us? You know they see that girl, you know as that girl fine. And because of you I pursue that girl, why you they talk say I don't like it? Why you they talk that kind? Sweet, I just remember come. See, you know that my guy now? You want me new come for town huh?
Prince.
Yeah, Prince.
On.
See, if you they come out, you say what I carry me for nobody go town. You want carry for
Okay, you won't leave me for this village now.
I don't feel living here now. Now I told Oga come out now. Yes now.
Sure?
You know say see, only more enough you go dead outside. So if I dey come out, you need to follow me come for here. Abi you know what come out for stay for this place.
No, see, this village don't tire me since. Don't tire me.
I'm just say you like this village. See, but one problem dey. You see that my friend? He see me like So I don't know that like waiting he can they talk he say hey you know say if me they go because I don't already tell her about you say so that if me they carry you follow body they go town so that he go see they carry over follow body 10 years now I don't know that want to doing one or take time but I just for sure so the guy don't want to let me go
if you're down go hard you know say we go no sapolo they dey together
for girls sapolo
those two na love bed I'm not sure say I go feel see I'm not sure say my power reach am I'm not sure that one go hard.
Shebi you dey talk about where we will go tomorrow abi I don't get one place.
Oh,
I don't get
you
one
enter
place.
your mind abi?
Yes na.
You won't enter.
Get one place where they new open for that side. You know that place that made a new open now?
I know one.
And there we dey go tomorrow.
Yes. Me and you abi?
Our two now. But you promise me one thing.
Waiting again.
If you dey come, you carry over follow for you.
Ah. Leave that one to me. Oh, now my friend, she go follow me.
As today be, You know, so today now, the day we love us. To the show love. So I get plans for us. We get this driver for our village when they come city. They still they go back to village every week. So I make arrangement with her, say he go carry us to city. He will still return us before you reach. I just want to make we show love to each other in a special way today. As today man the day love us to be show love.
See, wetin you talk so no be bad thing at all. Na good thing I just talk. But yawa don burst o.
Yawa? Which yawa be that?
No be my pale. If you see the kind of clothes my pale pack come and say I say make I wash if I see myself today wash all those clothes today, if today that clothes no finish. They too many. My pale you dey punish me.
Wait, we no fit. We go pack the cloth, go river. We will come back from city now. I just want to make this very special.
See, if my pale here say I come up for her that cloth I never wash am, he go kill me. And if I say more wash am before we come out, na night you go take finish today. My pale no want I come up for us.
But maybe we feel I think when you wash the cloth quick for river, maybe the cloth will dry before we come out.
Wait, so I want to ask you one question. So when you dey talk say more go spend more go what you call am the acting on a special day. All those love what you dey tell me since all of them are fake.
Not be fake, Harry.
So which one come be special love for inside? If na real every day we dey play the love today tomorrow anytime. Love na love. I can't say you tell me say you love me. No which one come be special for inside. I beg if you no really love me, you tell me. If you no go sakala go burst.
Nah, I don't want to make you face. You know say I no fit do wetin you no like. So as you talk now, I will leave her. Now just because say, everybody they do it like that. And what everybody they do now acting. But most of them they go acting. Now make I be see make it do on a special day.
I believe another day we go to one. break my coconut. Don't break my coconut. Hey.
As it be say, you know the year word, you be like fly when you know the year word. Because fly when you know the year word, now the body they follow etagram.
Baba, I don't agree for her. I don't agree. Oh, if I bring the coconut, I don't agree.
See, I won't go inside. I won't go bring hot water. And if I meet you there, I'll pour hot water. You see that another coconut when coconut when they break produce, go burn up for another place. I will be.
Oh wow. Hey.
Oh wow. So but that clothes your papa give you, how you take do am? We say me wash.
The cloth. I go tell you.
This house just quiet. Over. Who be that? Ah, babe. Now your friends don't come. Down. Yes, so. Thank you. Go, sir. So you carry a bucket of water. Let's say they're busy.
I'm be smart yo. Na my pale na give me work.
Hey. Now come out in one wash.
If you see how they men, so see the inside.
No need. Go. You don't know even many now. If you see my own, many fast. Later we'll carry and go river. We'll go wash them together. We'll just we'll share and you'll carry from inside.
No lie. As you see me so, anything will make me leave this cloth. I not wash them. I come up for this house. As I they move, now so my papa they move me.
See, if you see the way my mommy pa give me, you are wrong. See, I promise you, this cloth where they see so na small thing. I go wash and dry my own. But more just we reach there. We not spend reach 10 minutes to come back.
No way.
Some many na. May you just follow us, no go.
The only way me go take green. Now be say this cloth so does not wait inside house. I go pack all of the come outside. We gotta wash them because if we gotta wash them, go fast.
We go wash them.
No,
See,
more do I
go wash them, but not be now.
Except that one, I don't come for you.
See, wait, babe. See, don't worry. We not spend 10 minutes for that place. More just rush reach there. I'll join you wash them. Wait, go.
Nala,
Don't
wow. What of the boy wey say you wan die for your matter?
Why you no go meet her?
Sapolo. To say I know. I don't get any other place where I dey go. My papa don't drive me come up for us. I don't get any other place where I know. That make me come meet you. Make you abeg, not drive me, abeg.
Abeg, make I be papa to pikin when I not born. Ugogo, wetin you not give me to? Wetin you not let me do? Then you carry go give another person. Then you carry go give another person.
I swear to Baba God they dey forever. I don't give her two. Now if us is bread coconut, I swear to my God, I swear to my Papa name. Now if us is bread coconut, I don't give her two.
Ugogo, come dey go. Ugogo, if I come to the house, come back, meet you. She will come back with you. Ugogo.
I better not give me that. Hey! Look at them go. I don't get down, show for push. How can you go? I think I need to go follow for tea. Yeah! Yeah!
Ugogo! That coconut when you give other person go kill you. You won't care them. It's here where you are.
Now you don't be like this now. What do you want to do now? What will be the next step when you want to take?
I don't know. As I see life, now so I take calm. I don't enter.
Well, no problem. Me and my girlfriend there. We know if someone will just carry you go city just like that. It don't make sense. Hope you grab. We need to follow you go your house. Follow you go your crib. We go talk to your daddy. You understand? Me go beg your daddy. Say your daddy go pray for you. So anything when you put your hand, it go smooth for you. Because if you carry you go like that, it don't make sense. You do understand? I know say no be your fault.
Now your fault. Cause I know say your papa talk. Your boyfriend talk, but you know see and maybe people where they around where we no know, they feel still don't talk, you know here. But our happiness be say you they okay, baby they okay. Now him.
My sister right. But sha, those guys wey fit shop you get I tell you.
You know better for them. Cause me no say wetin person sow, now you go reap.
I dey feel
better for them.
As it don't be like that now, you go more just go your dad's now. Carry your baby more go your dad's.
Okay, let me go carry.
All those our brothers where they deceive our sisters, I beg me una stop am. Because I know say una still get brothers and sisters where they outside. Make another person no do them. Wait till una they do another person. Because what you sow is what you reap.
My brothers and sisters, you see this love of a thing when they talk about so. Don't be one day love. When be say one person, they just put time for mind say that day so they'll do now do or die affair. My brother, this love now every day. Now we're supposed to show no be one day.
All those our beautiful young sisters. Where they lose their virginity because of one day. I beg. I use God where they heaven. I use Baba God. They beg una. Make una stop am. Make una keep una virginity to the man we want to pay una bride price. So that men una keep that one as una pride. Una beg. I use God beg una. Make una not lose am because of one day.